Welcome to our video. Today, we are exploring the best rice cookers with a keep warm function, perfect for enjoying fresh, hot rice anytime. Check the description box for product links and more information. Stay tuned to discover a unique feature that sets one cooker apart. Let's dive in. At number 5 is the Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker. When it comes to kitchen appliances, few are as essential as a reliable rice cooker. The Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker is a budget-friendly option that delivers professional-level results, making it a must-have for home cooks. Generous 8-cup capacity. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its 8-cup capacity. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or prepping meals for the week, this generous size ensures you can make enough rice to satisfy your needs. The non-stick inner pot makes serving and cleaning a breeze, while the included accessories like a rice paddle and measuring cup help you achieve perfect portions every time. Programmable delay start. Another impressive feature of this rice cooker is the programmable delay start function. This enables you to have freshly cooked rice ready when you need it, without having to time it perfectly. Simply add your ingredients, set the delay, and enjoy the convenience of coming home to a hot, fluffy meal. Automatic keep warm. Once the rice is cooked, the Hamilton Beach rice cooker's automatic keep warm function activates to maintain the ideal serving temperature. No more dried out or cold rice, just perfectly cooked grains that stay hot and fresh until you're ready to enjoy them. Why it's great. The Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker is an exceptional value. With its combination of user-friendly features and consistent cooking performance, it's an appliance that belongs in every home cook's kitchen. If you're in the market for a reliable, affordable rice cooker, this model should be at the top of your list. At number 4 is the Tiger JKTD 10U Induction Heating Rice Cooker. The Tiger JKTD 10U is a top-of-the-line induction heating rice cooker that delivers exceptional rice quality. With its 5.5-cup capacity, advanced cooking settings, and extended keep warm function, this rice cooker is a kitchen appliance worth investing in. 5.5-cup capacity. The 5.5-cup capacity makes this rice cooker perfect for feeding a small family or hosting gatherings. You can easily prepare the right amount of rice without waste. Induction heating system. The induction heating system in the Tiger JKT D10U ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked rice every time. This advanced heating technology outperforms traditional rice cookers. Extended keep warm function. One of the standout features is the extended keep warm function. This allows the rice to stay warm and fresh for up to 24 hours without compromising quality. It's perfect for busy households or entertaining. Why it's great. The Tiger JKTD 10U Induction Heating Rice Cooker is a high-end appliance that produces restaurant-quality rice at home. Its advanced induction heating, versatile cooking settings, and extended keep warm capabilities make it a worthwhile investment for any home cook. At number 3 at our list is the Cuckoo CR0655F rice cooker. The Cuckoo CR0655F is a top-of-the-line rice cooker that takes the guesswork out of making fluffy, delicious rice. With its 6-cup capacity, fuzzy logic technology, and customizable keep warm function, this rice cooker is a game-changer for home cooks who want consistent results. 6-cup capacity. The 6-cup capacity of the Cuckoo CR0655F makes it the perfect size for families or meal preppers. You can easily cook enough rice for several servings at once, without having to worry about overflow or uneven cooking. Fuzzy logic technology. This rice cooker uses advanced fuzzy logic technology to monitor the cooking process and make automatic adjustments. It senses the temperature and moisture levels to ensure the rice comes out perfectly cooked every time, with no risk of burning or sticking to the bottom of the pot. Customizable keep warm. One of the best features of this rice cooker is the customizable keep warm function. You can adjust the temperature to keep your rice at your preferred warmth, so it's always ready to serve. Why it's great. If you're in the market for a high-quality rice cooker that takes the guesswork out of cooking, the Cuckoo CR0655F is an excellent choice. Its combination of advanced features, consistent performance, and user-friendly design make it a kitchen essential for any home cook. At number 2 is the Aroma Housewares 8-cup rice cooker. When it comes to rice cookers, you don't have to break the bank to get great results. The Aroma Housewares 8-cup rice cooker proves that you can have high-quality performance at an affordable price. With its generous capacity, digital controls, and versatile steamer function, this rice cooker is a kitchen essential for home cooks on a budget. 8-cup capacity. The 8-cup capacity of this rice cooker makes it perfect for families or meal preppers. You can easily cook enough rice for several servings at once, without having to worry about overflow or uneven cooking. Digital controls. Gone are the days of guessing when your rice is done. The Aroma Housewares 8-cup rice cooker features digital controls that take the guesswork out of the cooking process. Simply select your desired settings and let the cooker do the rest. Automatic keep warm. When the cooking cycle is complete, the Aroma Housewares 8-cup rice cooker automatically switches to keep warm mode. This ensures your rice stays at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to enjoy it. Why it's great. If you're looking for a high-quality rice cooker that won't break the bank, the Aroma Housewares 8-cup rice cooker is an excellent choice. Its combination of features, performance, and affordability make it a must-have for any home cook. At number 1 is the Zojirushi NS ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. When it comes to rice cookers, the Zojirushi NS ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy model is in a league of its own. With its advanced fuzzy logic technology, multiple cooking functions, and automatic keep warm feature, this rice cooker delivers consistently perfect results every time. 5.5 cup capacity. The 5.5 cup capacity of the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy makes it a great choice for small to medium-sized households. You can easily cook enough rice for several servings at once, without having to worry about overflow or uneven cooking. Multiple cooking functions. In addition to standard white rice cooking, the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy offers a variety of specialized functions. These include settings for brown rice, porridge, and even cake baking. No matter what type of dish you're preparing, this rice cooker has you covered. Automatic keep warm. Once the cooking cycle is complete, the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy automatically switches to the keep warm mode. This maintains your rice at the perfect serving temperature for hours, without drying it out or causing it to overcook. Why it's great. If you're serious about cooking the perfect rice every time, the Zojirushi NS ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker is the ultimate tool for the job. Its advanced technology, versatile functions, and user-friendly design make it a must-have for any home cook who demands the best. Our recommendation. The Zojirushi NS ZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker as our best value option, and the Cuckoo CR0655F Rice Cooker as the budget-friendly alternative. Choosing the best rice cooker with a keep warm function can make your cooking experience more convenient and efficient. Prioritize features that suit your needs, like capacity, ease of use, and durability. With the right choice, you'll enjoy perfectly cooked rice every time.